Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You will start by preparing a safe environment and the minimal toolchain. Create a virtualenv and install requests, scapy, and cryptography so dependencies stay isolated. Once done, initialize a Git repo and pick a non-production test target, like a local VM or intentionally vulnerable container. You need this isolation because you will run network scans and payloads. Make sure to use authorized targets only. Next, write a tiny Python script that imports scapy and sends a single ARP request to confirm You will move into practical automation by combining discovery, enumeration, and exploitation helpers. Start with scapy to craft packets and perform network discovery, then use requests for web endpoints and sockets for custom protocols. Make functions that return structured results so you can chain steps reliably, and use logging with timestamps rather than print statements. Once you have modules, you can reuse them across tasks. Refactor often to keep each function single-purpose. Make sure to include try/, except, and timeout so scans don't hang indefinitely. You will finalize by validating findings and packaging outputs into CSV or JSON for review. Sanitize any sensitive data before sharing. Once done, run unit tests with PyTest on helper functions and commit the working scripts to Git. If something fails, first enable verbose logging and reproduce the error against your isolated target. If that doesn't expose the bug, isolate the module and add assert checks or small reproducer scripts. Remember, reproduce narrow, then fix. That approach prevents cascading errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.